10 most powerful African animals. If you're a wildlife enthusiast, Africa is definitely the place to go. This continent is host to some of the most powerful animals in the world, and in today's list of the top most powerful African animals, you'll learn about all 10 of them. From wildcats to massive mammals, they're all here. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it with the number 10. Number 10. Martial Eagle. The martial eagle is the largest bird of prey native to sub-Saharan Africa. It has a wingspan that can reach up to 8 feet, 2.5 meters, and weighs around 14 pounds, 6.5 kilograms. As apex predators, martial eagles play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. They help control populations of small mammals and birds, which can have a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem. But if we're talking about what makes them so powerful, we've got to mention its powerful talons. This bird possesses immensely strong and sharp talons, which are its main hunting tools. Its talons are designed to grasp and secure prey firmly, providing a lethal grip that prevents escape. This powerful hold allows the eagle to take down much larger and more powerful animals. Research shows that they have enough power in one foot to break a man's arm in one fell swoop. Number 9. Great White Shark. Hailing from the ocean around Africa, the great white shark is a large and powerful predatory shark that is widely recognized as one of the most formidable creatures that you could come across while out on a swim. The great white shark is named very appropriately since it's one of the largest predatory fish species, capable of growing up to 20 feet, 6 meters in length, and weighing over 5,000 pounds, 2,268 kilograms. Its enormous size and its muscular build give it incredible strength. But that's not all. They possess rows of serrated, razor-sharp teeth that can reach up to 2.5 inches, 6.35 centimeters in length. Their teeth are designed for gripping and tearing prey, allowing them to inflict fatal injuries with a single bite. Additionally, their keen senses, including excellent eyesight and electroreception, enable them to detect and locate prey from considerable distances. Number 8. African Elephant. Next up, let's discuss why the African elephant is so powerful, shall we? These massive mammals hail from Africa and are the largest terrestrial animals, with males, known as bulls, reaching heights of up to 13 feet, 4 meters, at the shoulder and weighing between 5,000 to 14,000 kilograms, 5 to 14 tons. Their biggest weapon, other than their 14-ton weight, is their tusks and trunk. The trunk is a highly specialized organ formed by the fusion of the upper lip and nose. It serves multiple functions, such as feeding and manipulating objects, while the tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth, can grow to significant lengths, with some reaching over 3 meters, 10 feet long. These tusks are used for various purposes, including digging, stripping bark, and most importantly, defense. They can charge at high speeds, reaching up to 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, and deliver powerful strikes with their trunks, tusks, and feet. Number 7. Nile Crocodile. The Nile crocodile is a large, fearsome reptile that inhabits various freshwater habitats across Africa. It's one of the largest crocodilian species and is renowned for its strength and predatory abilities. But what exactly makes it so powerful? Well, the Nile crocodile possesses one of the strongest bite forces among all living animals. Its jaw is armed with numerous sharp teeth designed for gripping and tearing prey. The bite force exerted by a large adult crocodile can exceed 5,000 pounds per square inch, (psi), which is several times stronger than that of a great white shark. This immense power allows them to secure a firm grip on their prey, preventing escape. Also, they have excellent eyesight and acute hearing, allowing them to detect prey and potential threats with precision. They also have a streamlined body, webbed feet, and a powerful tail, which enables them to swim swiftly and silently, propelling themselves through the water with ease. Number 6. Silverback Gorilla. Who can forget about King Kong himself when it comes to power? These massive primates are the largest and most dominant members of gorilla groups. They typically weigh between 350 to 450 pounds, 160 to 200 kilograms, and can reach a height of around 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters, when standing upright. They're considered the leader of the gorilla group for a reason, and one of them is that silverbacks are highly protective of their group and will fiercely defend them against threats. They will confront rival males or potential predators using a combination of vocalizations, chest-beating displays, and physical strength. But what really makes them stand out on this list is their problem-solving abilities. They can use tools and also display complex social behaviors. Number 5. Hippopotamus. Ah yes, our old friend the hippopotamus. This is a massively powerful semi-aquatic mammal found in various parts of sub-Saharan Africa that just can't be reasoned with. But that's to be expected, since hippos are one of the largest land mammals, with males weighing up to 4,000 kilograms, 4.4 tons. Their massive size, along with their barrel-shaped body and short legs, give them a formidable appearance and substantial physical strength. But what makes them really powerful is their unstoppable temperament. They can charge at high speeds, reaching up to 30 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour, and deliver powerful bites to any and all animals that it perceives as a threat to their territory or young. Number 4. African Wild Dog. The African wild dog, also known as the African painted dog or Cape hunting dog, is a unique entry on this list. These are highly specialized carnivores found in sub-Saharan Africa. These dogs are highly social animals that live in packs, which can consist of up to 10 to 20 individuals. So what makes them so powerful? Well, it's just that. They're the perfect example of strength in numbers. What happens is that they work together to pursue and exhaust their prey, using their excellent endurance to chase down and capture animals such as antelopes, zebras, and other ungulates. And of course, they manage to pull this off with long legs, a lean body, and a streamlined shape, which allows them to reach speeds of up to 46 miles per hour, 75 kilometers per hour. This exceptional speed helps them keep up with their prey during chases and allows them to cover long distances efficiently. All of this combined gives the African wild dog a high success rate in hunting, often exceeding 80%. Number 3. African Leopard. The African leopard is an apex predator found in sub-Saharan Africa. If you're ever in their territory looking to catch a look at this wild cat, you probably won't be able to. These cats are renowned for their remarkable stealth and adaptability. They are solitary and elusive hunters capable of silently stalking their prey through a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and mountains. Their ability to blend into their surroundings, aided by their spotted coat, allows them to remain hidden and approach their prey undetected. What's more, these leopards possess strong jaws and sharp retractable claws, which they use to subdue and kill their prey. Their bite force is considerable, allowing them to immobilize and dispatch their prey efficiently. Additionally, their claws aid in climbing, defending themselves, and maintaining a strong grip on their kills. This ferocious feline is not to be messed with. Number 2. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a living legend that is both large and powerful. These big guys are found in Africa, but also in Asia. There's a lot about the rhino that should come into consideration when talking about why they're so powerful. But what stands out the most is their distinctive horns, which are made of keratin and grow from the animal's snout. These horns can reach impressive lengths, with some species having horns that exceed 1 meter, 3 feet in length. The horns serve as formidable weapons and are used for defense against predators. In a situation where rhinoceroses feel threatened, they can exhibit extremely aggressive behavior, which includes charging at high speeds. Rhinos have been known to reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, when charging, making them highly dangerous when provoked, especially with that horn that could puncture the human body with ease. Number 1. African Rock Python. Finally, the African rock python is the single largest and most powerful snake found in Africa. It's also one of the 8 largest snake species in the world, along with the green anaconda and others. It can grow to impressive lengths, with some individuals reaching up to 20 feet, 6 meters, or even longer. I mean, its sheer size alone commands respect and contributes to its power in the animal kingdom. But that's not even the scary bit. African rock pythons are actually constrictor snakes, meaning they capture and kill their prey by coiling their bodies around it and exerting immense pressure. This pressure can reach numbers of more than 100 psi. For a frame of reference, the human body can withstand 15 psi at most. This method is highly effective for subduing and consuming a wide range of larger animals, including antelopes, warthogs, dogs, monkeys, waterfowl, goats, and most surprisingly, crocodiles. Yes, crocodiles. And that was our list of the top 10 most powerful animals in Africa. What animals do you think should have been on the list? Let us know down in the comments below, and of course, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this.